Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your butterfly bloom plus wet grinder. First, carefully unbox your new appliance and remove all packaging materials. Before its initial use, thoroughly wash the grinding stones and stainless steel drum with warm, soapy water. Ensure all parts are completely dry before assembly. Place the drum securely onto the motor base, then insert the grinding stones. This preparation ensures hygienic and efficient operation from the very first batch. Now, let's get to grinding. Add your pre-soaked ingredients like rice or lentils into the drum. For optimal consistency, add water gradually, typically about 1/4 to 1/2 cup per cup of dry ingredients. Secure the lid firmly and switch on the grinder. Allow it to run for 20 to 30 minutes or until your batter reaches the desired smooth texture. Remember to monitor the consistency throughout the process for perfect results. To achieve the best grinding results, avoid overloading the drum. Fill it to about 2/3 capacity. This prevents strain on the motor and ensures even grinding. Periodically check the batter's consistency by carefully opening the lid and feeling it. If the motor sounds strained or the batter feels too thick, add a small amount of water. Always ensure the lid is properly secured before restarting the machine for safety. Proper cleaning and maintenance extend your grinder's lifespan. After each use, switch off and unplug the appliance. Carefully remove the grinding stones and drum. Wash all removable parts thoroughly with warm, soapy water, using a soft brush if needed to remove any residue. Rinse them well and allow them to air dry completely before reassembling or storing. Store your grinder in a dry, clean place for its next use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.